I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loosening and removing the first string to keep neck tension stable. This protects the truss rod. Once a string is slack, unwind at the tuner and free the ball end from the bridge. Use a pin puller and gentle rocking if it resists. If the string tangles, cut it near the sound hole and remove pieces. Make sure to wipe the fretboard now. Cleaning while strings are off prevents grime from hiding under new strings and makes reinstallation smoother. Next, you fit the new string by seating the ball end firmly into the bridge hole and reinserting the pin with its groove aligned to the string. This secures seating. Then thread the other end through the tuner post, leaving about 2 to 3 inches of slack so you can form clean winds. Wrap downward on the post so the string locks under itself. Use fewer turns on high strings and more on low strings to balance tension. Once wound, finger tighten and check alignment over the saddle. Finally, you bring the guitar up to pitch and stabilize the new strings. Tune to each target note, then gently pull each string away from the fretboard a few times and retune. This accelerates settling. After stable pitch, trim excess string leaving about 1/4 to 1/2 inch to avoid slippage and sharp ends. Make sure to check the nut and bridge pin seating if tuning slips or you hear buzzing. Adjusting winding neatness and ensuring the string seats correctly usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.